What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Going to go over Gala Games. Explosive move, sitting at 0.01605, up 5% on the day. See market cap 395 million, 24 volume 89 million. So we talked about coming down in our wave 2. That's exactly what we did. We almost reached a 50% retracement, not quite, but we did everything we need to put in a wave 2. So quite potentially now we push up in a wave 3 with a target of 0.01866. If we look at this chart here, we've started to break this down sloping trend line from this high up here at 6 cents. And once we start to see a retest, I talked about us breaking out. And once we break out, if we come down, we see a retest. That's when we can definitely look for a long trade opportunity. And also if we get back above the 55 EMA. We just hit our first 2 take profits on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're currently in trades for Matic and Solana as well. The Ethereum trade is now closed. The Bitcoin, Matic, and Sol are still ongoing, and potentially, hopefully, we can get into a Gala Games trade as well. There was an opportunity to get in on that pullback on that wave 2. We didn't quite reach the 50%, but that's a-okay. I also have a down sloping trend line. Let's go to the daily time frame. From this previous high at about 0.028, and that's currently where we're finding resistance. So if we can break that trend line, that's another bullish signal. But it does look like we're now pushing up in that wave 3, which has a target of 0.01866. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. A signal will be given when I do enter a trade for a friend. Gala Games, it's $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Make sure to sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20, $1,000, $200 to trade with completely for free. My subscribers only. Signals, $10 a month for my daily crypto analysis. My trade setups, as I mentioned, we're in 3 trades right now. 2 of them we already locked in gains. Crypto news, member profits, all plays. Forex signals, Forex analysis. Not only we're trading crypto, we're also trading Forex. $10 a month, you really can't beat it. You spend $10 every single day. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.